Hello everyone, I am Naman Sharma and this is my partner Gaurav Bens. We are from GMCT Public School Singriwala, Hoshiarpur, and we are here to explain you about our project of PHYTO-AI, which is a tool which is used to detect the pH, temperature and humidity of the soil, and correspondingly it provides the pollutant in the soil present, its concentration, and provides phytoremediation ways to cure the soil to improve yield, productivity and the wellness of the good.
This data is taken from Punjab University and Punjab Agriculture University. When data comes here, it gets sorted and then it comes to neural network and makes prediction about our project. This pH is taken from our machine and temperature and humidity are taken from our machine, and it predicts about which pollutant is in our soil, and it says its pesticides.
Now we have made a proper machine model which will be used to do all this output within our app and our machine. Here we will have a battery which will operate a digital meter. After that we will have a sensor which will provide signals to a meter with corresponding values of humidity, pH and temperature of our soil. Here after it senses the soil, it will lighten up and show us the pH, temperature and humidity of the corresponding soil we have used. Through this, we will have a transmitter as the same in smartwatches, which will provide the signals to a mobile app for further commands. This will have a transmitter which will do the same thing. Now, let me show you the output of the machine through this through this model we have made. Firstly, the dataset is authentic and reliable as told by my partner. After that, it will go through these layers and we will get our first prediction. These values are authentic and are taken from proper models, which will be given by the Punjab Agriculture University. Further, we will have a machine which will test these from our soil, in which we need to test. Here, as we can see, all these values are given. The first two are for our rainy season, next two are for winter season, and other two are for summer season. After that, once we get the pollutant type, we could further proceed into our concentration. Let me first reload the data. Now here we have the pollutant concentration. As we can see in the first two values, the concentration is 8 point something milligram per kilogram of soil. And here we have all the different values taken through the pH, temperature and humidity and properly processed through our AI model. Next we will have where we will get the plant schedule to grow. Now we can see that it gives proper schedule needed. Here when the value of copper is sufficient in which any plant can be grown successfully, it tells no action is needed. But for other it gives proper plants, Brassica junctia, Indian mustard, maize and sunflower, which will helpful to remove this pollutant from the soil and will helpful to grow our yield and process the further data and make our soil more healthy and give more successful results. Here we have our last prediction in which firstly it tells crop rounds needed, then it tells the years needed, then it tells months needed. As we saw that copper needs no action, but if you want to remove the left contaminants too, you could grow these types of rounds. So this was all about our model which we have made and we could successfully implement into different types of areas of Punjab, which will be helpful for the farmers to grow out their yield, make their crops helpful. As we know, these are some plants which uptake the heavy metals, where mustard will uptake and people will consume it, which will harm them. So if we use this method successfully and every farmer will be guided, we could use this machine as well as our model to train them and be reliable, and we could get better yield as well as healthy crops. Thank you.